Wow, God, ready today. Wow. Right, John, I'm proud of what I see you go on, you see?
Just start up work, you see me?
I tell ya.
Don't know me till from day one to you.
Yeah.
I'm going to change the whole structure.
Yeah.
So,
where you now, brother?
as me I tell my boss, I take down the old structure, concrete up everything. So I start off with a storeroom. I don't know until we start buying certain things, I have somewhere safe to put it.
Okay.
So we have start off with the storeroom. We are clear up the tree them now. As that done, fence, structure gone up.
Well, I tell you, I love when I see you go on. And I just want you to keep me posted, brother. You see, if any additional funds needed, just page me. And you know, the next thing we are going to talk about is how to market the place, you see? Because we have to figure out a way how to get ones and ones to come see the new look and to come full joy. You with me?
That is it, you know, boss. They don't know, them label in a city like say, yo, we can have a successful business inside of the garrisons. And I go change that, my boss. I go change that.
That's so. That is the word. We are going to change the narrative, the brother. So, yeah, sweat, man. What happened? You know want something to drink?
Yeah, but my boss, man. Come we go drink 2 cold dragon, man.
All right. Ma, tell me something. You come around here so with the axe, how will you?
You know, say, I want to go Yankee brother when you get deported. How much so much is the boy place, you see me?
Okay. All right, here walk one. Go and do your thing, yeah. Now get the drink.
Yeah, man, that's that word, Papa.
Yeah, my general.
Man, that's my boss. I don't know, no, man.
That's a party.
Long time I catch a style in.
Alright, we got it, man. Just from a different angle. Here what? We're there, here.
I'm a boss.
To progress and success.
Man,
Community development.
work done, man. Face all look beautiful.
But here what, man. I'm not going to deal with that like a small matter, so I'm soon go out.
I'm a boss.